breaking news, guys. I'm excited. I'm always excited sharing this one item that I really like, which is this yoga bag. Guys, I love this yoga bag. It's huge, it's big, have a big mouth inside. There's two pockets here where you can put whatever you want to put in here. You can zip up. The other side, there's also some pockets going on. This one I think is for your cell phone, and one big pouch right here. I already have stuff inside, guys. Bring my wipes. So yeah, guys, I love this so much because I can put a lot of things in it. Actually, this bag can be used going to the beach, travel, picnic. Because it's big, guys, you can put a lot of stuff in it. Blankets, clothes, whatever, right? It also have a zipper, guys. See? You can zip up. I love it so much. You know why I love this one so much? Because everything that you see here fits inside here. I also fits inside here, guys. I told you guys, everything that you see here, it fits inside here. For me, I even fit here. Carry me, guys. Carry me, guys. Come on. Carry me. See, I fit here too. Anyway, kidding aside, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to put all my stuff back inside this yoga bag. I have to put the cushion first. That's it, guys. And there you have it. So what are you guys waiting for? Go get your yoga bag. That's all. Tata. Remember, guys, don't forget to follow and subscribe. You know what to do. And for all those who already do, follow and subscribe. Thank you guys so very much. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Love, love, love. By the way, guys, I only earn commission if the item is being purchased and never returned. Yeah, guys, that's how it works. If you click the link that I've been sharing with you guys, it don't matter. I don't earn commission on that. I earn commission when the items are purchased and never returns. I'm not sure, but I would not earn any commission if you're somebody close to me. I'm not sure how true is that. I was told I can't earn commission, family, friends, and relatives that knows me. I don't know. But that's all, guys. So guys, when you buy items in my link, don't return. Thank you for watching. Bye!